Hey guys, do you want to learn how to change your Facebook password without knowing the old one? If yes, then watch this video till the very end to understand the video properly. Without wasting our time, let's start the video. Password is one of the crucial thing to protect your personal information and protect your account from unauthorized access. So let's start. Tap on these three dots. Here scroll down to setting and privacy. Tap on settings. On account center, tap on see more in account center. Here scroll down to password and security. Tap on change password. Tap on your account. Here you have to enter your old password, but you don't have your old password. So tap on forgotten your password. Okay, so this will appear a lot of options. Here they can send you code in WhatsApp, code in SMS and Facebook notification. A lot of option will appear here. So simply choose one and tap on continue. Enter the code and tap on continue. So here option of creating a new password will appear. Enter your new password and tap on next. And here will be done. Your Facebook password will be changed. I hope this video will help you out to reset your old password. Thanks for watching. See you guys in next video.